Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you and your family member staying safe at home. So I also hope you are enjoying my online classes. If you have any doubt in the previous chapter, okay, so you can ask me. I am ready to answer your question. Okay, so आपको ये क्लास असल अच्छा लग रहा है तो देन लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. Okay, then today I am going to discuss some experiment of in the test of the nutrient. Okay, so in the previous classes we already know what are the nutrient, protein, carbohydrate, fat. Okay, all the things. So this period I am going to discuss the test of nutrient. Okay, so मजा आएगा. ओके, तब तक मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज क्लास व्हाट 6. ओके, टेस्ट ऑफ nutrient. Okay, so okay, test of nutrient. Okay, so we are daily using different type of foods. Yes or no? So can you tell me all food, all nutrient are available? So no. Yes or no? No. Okay, but how can you now this food contain fat, this contain food protein, this food contain carbohydrate? Yes or no? This question will come in your mind now. So let's discuss the test of fat. Okay, so how can you now, okay, how can you now suppose this is a what, this is a groundnut. Yes or no? So in that groundnut, okay, so these are what, these are groundnut. Yes, so tell me this is a fat food, protein food or carbohydrate food? Okay, so you make some student told me it is a fat, sir. Some student tell me, sir, this is a no, sir, it is protein. Okay, and some other student tell, yes, sir, no, this is all are they are saying wrong. This is carbohydrate. Yes, so then let's check or experiment. Okay, so this is this, okay, is this a carbohydrate, fat or protein? Yes, so then take one pepper and one groundnut. Yes, then what will happen? This is a one pepper. Yes, one pepper and one groundnut. Okay, so what will happen to wrap? Okay, see, this is groundnut. Okay, so you take and that's ground wrap on the, yes, in the, so see in this paper, okay, see in this paper, before the paper was very what, it is white, so oil color patches is coming. See, so oil color patches is coming. So this oil color patches, it is shows means this food is what, this food is fat. Yes or no? So how many of are saying it is correct? Raise your hand. So many is there. Okay, remaining there are told it is wrong. Yes or no? So how can you do this experiment? You can home. Okay, in home you can do this experiment with the using of only one sheet of paper and some groundnut. Okay, so what will happen? First take one white paper. Okay, so in that white paper, what will do? White paper. Okay, first take this is it. See, here white color is there, nothing is there. So now I'll take one groundnut. Okay, then I'll rub. Okay, see, see the oily color patches is coming. Yes or no? So these oily color patches shows this groundnut contain what? It is contain fat. Yes, you have. So you all should do this experiment in your home. Then only you now this food is contain what? It is contain fat. Yes or no? So now first test of what? Fat. How can you do this experiment? Okay, so write down. Take a piece of groundnut and groundnut and it is wrap. Okay, wrap means rub. Okay, wrap with a white paper sheet. Paper sheet. Okay, after some time observe. Okay, oily color. Okay, oil patches. You can found this oily, this indicate. Okay, what indicate? Oil indicates the groundnut. Okay, groundnut contain what? It contain fat. Okay, मजा आ रहा है ना? Yes or no? So taste of fat. Okay, so how can you test a fat? Is it this food contain fat or not? Yes. So another example you can do. You take some ghee. Okay, so in that ghee you put on the pepper. Okay, so what will happen? The pepper is looking like oily. Okay, yes or no? So what will happen? So this oily color patches. Okay, oil color patches shows this food contain what? Fat. Yes or no? So how can you do? With the help of one sheet of pepper and some ground nut. Okay, so this is come over. Then come to next experiment. The taste of what? Protein. Yes or no? So tell me some protein food. Okay, tur dal, milk. Okay, fish. So these are the protein. Moong dal. Okay, so these are the protein. Okay, how can you now this food contain protein or not? So let's do the one experiment, then find out this food is contain protein or not. Okay, so yes, so write down taste of what? Protein. What? Taste of protein. Yes or no? So before going to taste of protein, so now I am going to show one dal. Okay, so some student told, yes sir, this is fat, and another student, yes sir, this is not carbohydrate, this is a fat. Like they are showing, they told different answer. Then so lastly I told, let's go discuss experiment, because we are science student. Without experiment we cannot believe. Yes or no? So let's discuss and experiment, find out these food are fat, protein or carbohydrate. Yes. So for the taste of a protein, it is required some chemical. Yes or no? And some test tube is also required, because in online classes it is not possible. When school will be reopened, I'll do this experiment with your lab. Okay, so don't worry about that. So now formally I am going to say how can you now the taste of a protein. Yes or no? So first what will happen? You take one food. Okay, suppose take a dal, then make it to powder form. Okay, so what will happen? First take a, or otherwise you directly take a powder form of a dal. Okay, then what will happen? How can you do this experiment? So suppose take a tur dal. Okay, tur dal or simply write dal. Okay, so what will happen? From the dal, what will happen? Make from powder form. Powder form. Yeah, yes or no? Then what to do? Okay, first make a powder form. Then what to do? Then take one test tube. Okay, test tube. Have you seen test tube? How it look like? Look like this. Yes or no? Yes. So in that test tube, it is a glass like glass. Okay. So first take a dal, then powder, make powder form, or directly you take powder form. Then input in test tube. Okay. Then what to do? Then put to 10 drop of water. Drop of water. Yes. So you have to mix. Then mix. Okay. Water. 10 drop of water. Okay, so then 2 drop of copper sulfate. Again you have to add. Okay, again you have to add 2 drop of copper sulfate. Okay, so copper sulfate, yes or no? So these are the chemicals. That's why I am saying this experiment is not available in online classes. Only I can do this experiment with the lab. So don't worry. You have to make patience. When school will be reopened, I will show this experiment in your lab. Okay. Then come to first make powder form. Then test tube. Then water. With the help of a drop. Okay. 10 drop of water. Yes or no? Then 2 drop of sulfate. Okay, copper sulfate. Then 10 drop of caustic soda. Okay. Then what will happen? 10 drop of caustic soda. What will it? Okay. So if this it changes into what? Violet color. What? Violet color. If the test tube become violet color, then so this violet color indicate this food contain what? Protein. Yes or no? So if we okay, first what we will do? Take a dye, then make the powder form. Then so it is take with the test tube. Okay. So test tube. Then again add 10 drop of water with the help of a drop. So again 2 drop of copper sulfate. It is a chemical. It is available in the your lab. When you go through the higher classes, you will be now more about the copper sulfate. According to your class, that much is sufficient for your mind. Okay. So don't worry. And again you have to put 10 drop of caustic soda. Caustic soda it is a chemical. Okay. So when the test tube, okay, so in test tube taken all the things. On the test tube it changes violet color. Okay, so this violet color indicate the food contain protein. Yes or no? So write down. Yes, मजा आ रहा है ना? So इतना मजा तो नहीं आएगा because lab is not there. So online only just. So write down the violet color in the test tube. Okay, test tube indicate dal contain what? Dal. We are taking the dal. Dal contain what? Protein. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So this is the about the taste of protein. Yes. Then come to taste of what? Taste of starch. Okay. Yes or no? So for the taste of starch, so you require potato. Yes. So I take potato. Okay. So you just cut or peel this potato and take some little bit piece. Okay. So you just add some things I will say. Okay. Don't worry. after that, so some students, sir, this is not carbohydrate, this is not fat, this is a starch. Okay, some students, this is our fat because this is very fat. Yes or no? So let's discuss, is this potato is the starch, fat or carbohydrate? Yes or no? So first what to do? So first take potato. Okay, potato, you have just a potato peel. Okay, to take potato peel or one piece of potato. So then after that what to do? 2 drop of, or okay, 2 to 3 drop of iodine solution. Iodine solution. So these are available in your lab. Okay, so that's why I am saying that this experiment is not available in online classes. We can conduct this experiment with the science lab. Okay, don't worry, when your school will be open, I will arrange this or conduct this experiment. Okay, so first what to do? Take potato, peel potato, then peel. Okay, then 2 drop of iodine solution. Okay, so after iodine solution, what will happen? It changes blue or black color. Blue or black color. So this is blue and black color. If the food changes blue and black color, it indicates what starch is there. Okay, starch. Okay, so what will happen? Take one potato, then make 2 to 3 drop of iodine solution. This is easy experiment, very easy. Okay, so 2 to 3 drop of iodine solution. Then the food changes what? It is blue or black color. Okay, two color will come. Some blue will come or black will become. Okay, so this blue and black color indicate what is starch is there in this food. Okay, so tell me the food name which are contain starch. It is all the carbohydrate food like wheat, rice, chapati, maize. Yes or no? So papaya, sugarcane, these are called carbohydrate food because in that food the what the sugar content is maximum and they are do very it is taste in sweet. Yes or no? All sweet food are come under what? It is starch. Yes or no? So how can you now? This is a protein food. When you add this chemical, if it changes violet color, it is a protein. If it is changes blue and black, it is the what? Starch. If the oily patches will come out in the pepper, it is called what? It is called what? Your fat. Yes or no? So this is the about the different taste of the nutrient. Okay. So in the next period, I will discuss about the vitamin and the nutrient. Okay, if you like this video, okay, like and subscribe the channel, and if you have doubt, okay, you can ask with the comment box. Thank you, have a nice day.